Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is AirDrop not working on your iPhone? Not showing devices? Or stuck on waiting? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple fixes that will get AirDrop working again in just a few minutes. Let's fix it. AirDrop uses both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If either one is off, AirDrop does not work. Here's what to do. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure it's on. Now go back, tap on Bluetooth and turn it on. Even if they are already on, toggle them off and back on again. Now try airdropping again. Sometimes your airdrop is set to contacts only and the other person isn't saved in your contacts. Here's how to change it. Open the control center, press and hold the network settings box where Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are. Tap airdrop and select everyone for 10 minutes. Now check if other devices appear. This is a big one that most people miss. If Personal Hotspot is turned on, AirDrop may not work properly. To turn it off, go to Settings, tap on Personal Hotspot and turn it off. Now test AirDrop again. If nothing has worked so far, we will reset network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. To reset it, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will restart. After it turns back on, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try AirDrop again. Here are a few things that you should keep in mind when airdropping between two Apple devices. Make sure both devices are unlocked. Keep them close together. Make sure both devices have AirDrop enabled and update them to the latest version of iOS. And that's it. AirDrop should now be working properly on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.